Hi, another question from the practice exam 2022 for the AP Physics 1. As you see that this is a launcher in which a spring is completely compressed and a ball is attached with a spring, and this block is moving over the surface with some speed. So not only the block has a velocity v, but anything on that block, the spring, the ball, they all have the initial velocity, horizontal velocity, the same velocity. So it means that this ball is not at rest. This ball is moving with reference to some other person who is observing the motion. Okay. So according to that person who is observing the motion of the ball, what will happen if the ball is launched vertically? So ball will be launched vertically with respect to the spring. But what about the person who is observing the motion of the ball? The ball will not go vertically up, rather, the ball will go along this parabolic path, right? And why is that? The reason is, for this ball which is launched vertically, the ball have already a horizontal component of velocity. So this is a horizontal component of velocity which is given to it due to the motion of the object. So when it have the both components of velocity, let's say v0 x and v0 y, so the ball will have an instantaneous resultant velocity in this direction, which is a sum of these two components. So this is the initial velocity. So due to which the ball will not go vertically up and nor it will go just horizontally. It will adopt this two-dimensional path where at every point, since the balls have a horizontal velocity, so ball will cover the horizontal distance delta x, as well as the ball will cover vertical distance with respect to time. So for this reason, the ball will move along this projectile path, and exactly after a certain time, the ball is still above the launcher. With respect to the person, the ball is not only going the horizontally rightward but also vertically up. So it's a projectile motion, and this is how its velocity is changing. And interestingly, when the ball will reach at the end of its path, it will once again catch by the launcher. So this is a path of the ball, and that's why it will be directly above the spring launcher at any instantaneous time.